Hey everybody, welcome to Scale Model Alberta, where everything's made up and the points don't matter. Just like cheering for my hockey team. Anyway, what you see there is the Asuka. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I'm trying to read. My eyesight's gone to hell. Or Asuka, yeah, whatever. Japanese manufacturer. They make Shermans. They were very, very, very expensive. I think the list on these were over $100 for one kit, which is stupid. So of course I waited till it went on sale. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Asuka Shermans for just about $25 a piece. Couldn't turn that up. So, build is great. They do use rubber band tracks. Each track is in 2 pieces, so you have 4 pieces. But the nice thing is they respond very well to orange top Tamiya cement. They glue right up. You can do super glue, whatever. They glue up. They look good, especially these are the rubber cleats. Paint them up with some dark gray. They look good. The only thing I didn't like about this kit was the suspension. For some reason they have you use some kind of a piece of rubber in there to try and have a half-assed working suspension system. It was a pain in the butt. Didn't like that. Oh, just give you, it's just your standard M4A3 76mm long barrel, but I did add some stuff to it, as you can see. I've discovered eBay, especially eBay from China. I know, free shipping, good prices. I'd love to order this stuff up in the States, but let's say I ordered something on eBay from the US for $20. I'll be paying anywhere from $18 to $35 in shipping for that item. So if the Chinese are going to offer me free shipping, yeah, I'm taking it. I am taking it. So, you know, it's your basic Sherman. It's a nice build. It's kind of fiddly in spots, but it's okay. So like I said, all this, and this, and this, and this is one set from an Amazon dealer, or not an Amazon, sorry, eBay dealer. I think it was $21 US, free shipping. So I've got a couple more of those coming and another couple of kits coming. So I've got actually some more American stuff. I'm going to roll over and do some Allied stuff for the Second World War. So just a quick little show and tell, guys. Thanks for showing up. Take care. Talk to you later.